Alright, so today we're installing the blow-off valve on Edgar's ecoboost Mustang. We got Edgar right here. Hey, what's up, bro? We got his cousin over here. What's up, bro? We got Chony Cruz. Every time this guy's in the video, he gets me over 1,000 views. So hopefully it'll happen today, and hopefully everything goes good.
Hey, bro.
Sloppy ass toolbox. What's the first step, Tony? Tell us.
Taking the engine cover off, sir.
Edgar don't play no games, guys. He got the minty ass HK, that real shit, not none that eBay.
Straight up, bro. From
That
Kansas
feels nice
City.
as hell.
Canada, bro.
How much was it? Like 7?
So now we got Edgar taking off the plastic cover on the bottom. I mean, I think he should leave it off. What you think, Edgar?
Yeah, bro. Fuck it, right?
Yeah, that's what I think.
That's what I think too.
This is something you don't see a lot, man. This ain't no short ram. This is legit intake. What's been done to it, bro?
Is this the VQ? Hell yeah, it's a VQ 35 DE. Obviously, bro. 300 wheel horsepower.
An STI killer, huh? Tell the viewers the body count.
The what?
Body count on here.
Body count. My boy Tony knows all about that.
It's about to be 2, bro. It's about to be 2.
Oh, okay. I thought
New hose has a big ass spot for the blow-off valve. Old hose. So it's like 10 minutes. It's not bad.
I think about this.
It's not bad,
that?
bro.
Yep.
You taking it off right now?
Yep.
Tell him, Tony.
It's not that bad, bro, you know.
Pretty easy install so far, bro.
Where's the blow valve?
Right here. Or this is the hose for it. Blow-off valve's in the box still.
Hey, but to be honest, how come the stock one doesn't have
Oh, that hole's not plastic.
It's plastic, right?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not plastic, bro. Hey.
This one's all rough.
How come the stock one doesn't have blow valve?
No, that one's rubber. This one's not.
Bro, how come it doesn't have blow valve? Doesn't every
I don't
turbo
know,
car
bro.
need a blow valve?
I don't know. But you could hear it sometimes, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Flat, bro.
Ain't no eBay special here.
Hey, no. How much you spent on this hoe, bro?
600.
He rich, so.
Who's that jackass?
Bro, he's gonna.
Oh. Alright, so we just installed
Like 2 girls
piping and all that. I'm about to put on the clamps for it. So how's the progress so far, Edgar? Everything going smooth?
70%, yeah.
70%.
Almost there.
Alright, Tony, how long is it taking us?
About 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30-minute job right here. Trying to put the charge pipe back on, and we should be straight.
We should be straight for say 20 psi.
For 20 psi?
20 psi.
Oh, that precision turbo?
Yeah.
God, well, why you saying fuck out the way then? Oh, you swear like you know then.
Hey,
What do you gotta say?
turn it on, turn it
What
on.
do you gotta say?
Fuck, bro, I'm fucking scared.
You can hear it more